Hey Pratap, good to see you. Okay, happy Valentine everyone. Hey Shashi, thank you so much for coming back. Hey Gaurav, happy Valentine everyone. Well, I thought I'll go live today. It's been a while. Tell us about some good news. The only good news that I can see on the coin market is the market has started picking up, which is a good news in itself. I saw the Bitcoin price was around 8,400 something in the morning. Right now it's come back to 9,300. Okay, I think it's too loud. Yeah, so I was saying that it was 8,300 in the morning, and today it's about right now it's about 9,300. Ethereum was also something 800 plus. Right now it's 900 plus. So as you can see, the green on the right hand side, that's Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Stellar picking up once again. Stellar looks a good bet to me. Neo going back to 120. So good to see some greens on the right hand side. As always, it's a pleasure. So yeah, wish you all a very happy Valentine. I'm not sure whether you're enjoying with your partner, you're out, but if you're out, if you're free, join us, or else no problem at all. Enjoy your evening. Parth Sahu, what's up? You celebrated Valentine's Day? Yeah, every day is a Valentine Day for me, Gaurav. CFTC meeting going on today. Do you have a CFTC meeting? Or is it? Jesus coin is up by 1165%. How is Digitex? I did a video on Digitex, but I don't remember honestly. It wasn't that great that I can still remember what was the project about. So you can imagine I was not very impressed. But yes, if you want to know, if you want to understand what exactly it is, what's my opinion, please watch the video that I've made on Digitex. Tejender, nowadays Indian exchanges prices are almost the same as international market and sometimes cheaper in India. That's a nice one. That's a good one, Tejender. So that's nice. That helps you when you want to buy something, but if you want to sell something, you want the higher rate, right? I'm enjoying my Valentine with crypto. Yeah, cryptocurrencies are the biggest love. People are not on Tinder nowadays. People are using coin market more than the Tinder. So maybe even Facebook, maybe even Snapchat, right? People in crypto use Blockfolio and coin market. That's their love. I hold 5 BTC. Your prediction in December 2018. So according to me, I think Bitcoin should, according to me, not according to me, but according to the experts, Bitcoin should reach anything about 50 plus. and then you have 5 BTC. Just do the calculations. Hope you noticed that someone already created a fake Geo coin. It's on coin market cap symbol Geo. No, I haven't noticed that, Yoro, but I want to check that now. I'm curious. So it's GIYO. So I hope they are not trying to copy the Geo and it is of its own. Send money and safely without any limits. 4 reasons why to choose Geo. Okay, this looks as scammy to me, man. Tell us about Unitas coin, sir, please, at Cryptopia. Unitas, 16th and 17th Feb Chinese New Year. Will there be any impact like Christmas, New Year? I hope there won't be. I'm not sure if the Chinese market still have impact on the global market, since the cryptocurrencies are banned in China. The exchange just shut, so I don't see that is going to be a impact on the coin market. In fact, the coin market has started picking up right now, which is good. Anjum says, sir, please check singularity.net. So yes, I am very positive on singularity.net. They have an amazing team. They built up this Sophia robot, so which shows that they are capable of doing anything, and I just hope that they will do some wonders in sometime in the future, maybe 1 year down the line or 2 years down the line. But I think it's worth holding singularity.net, honestly. Again, this is not an investment or financial advice, but I think it's worth it. They have proved that they are capable of it, right? Unitas coin. This looks like a scam to me. Superior blockchain technology. Multi-algorithm, 5 independent algorithm. Fair distribution. So will there be a new all-time high? Possibly, man, possibly. The February is going to get over. March is coming, and then April will be coming. So there are some predictions. It's been more than 50 days, I guess, since the market dropped, right? So I think it's a time for the market to pick up, like it has been always, right? Every 2 months it picks up. So I hope it picks up now. Hi Vijay, market is growing well. Yes, please have a look at Fair airdrop. They are giving Fair tokens worth more than 10,000 rupees. Social network plus airdrop. Streamit is not only successful because it is first social, but Okay, Steam is inspiration for new project. New Sphere Social is a new social network that wants to make it its way in the world of cryptocurrency. Its way of working is similar to already known Serenia and others. You can download it here. You're responsive. Oh, they have an app as well. Okay. This looks promising. Alright, everything. I'm looking at it right now. It looks interesting. So what do you have to do? At this moment in proportion and beta phase, just register to get 100. And sats are not Satoshi. Sat is the currency of Sphere and social. Okay. 100 sats free. Okay. It is coming to market for pre-sale and the beginning of 2018 it will enter the market. To know it's true. Do not forget to read the roadmap and white paper. If you go further, save those 100 CDs. Oh, well, you can get these airdrop, but I think they are not going to be listed before November 2018, right? As per their roadmap. And I'm not sure what do they need in order for them to give us this. If you have to register, like you have to put up your email address and name and all that, it might just be risky. Just register. Okay, let's click on the just register and see what all say. Looks interesting. Happy Vijay. Titanium bar, will it grow? Titanium bar will grow because I'm pretty positive on titanium bar. It should grow, Vijay. Do you day trade cryptocurrency? No, AV creation. I don't do day trade. No. Hey, what about Litecoin price prediction? Currently holding 765. Congratulations. I think Litecoin has a great future ahead, according to me. I'm hoping. Hey, Dhaval, good to have you, man. Good to have you. How are you? Long time. I'm good. We can see uptrend, but a drop is expected. Oh, okay. Yeah, I heard news from some sad news, or maybe not so sad, from Thailand. So Thailand is banning some cryptocurrency exchanges. Possibly they haven't realized the blockchain potential as yet. You know, they are trying to be China. They won't go very far by banning cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin and blockchain, which essentially cannot be banned, my friend. So I am not sure if they know what they're doing, but I hope that they understand this and open up the market. Do they know? Yeah. Okay. Oh, what happened to the... Oh, okay. Saurabh says, hey Shiv, how are you? I was recently checking Nishchal's profile and he is going to open exchange WazirX. They will have their own coin. Sounds like Binance. Do you have any update about that? Yeah, I was reading about them, Saurabh. Does look like Binance to me. But I would love to have more information on that, honestly. But that looks like a Binance, kind of Binance to me. Shashi, they Unitas guys not even start with ICO. That is a unique thing. So they haven't started with the Unitas, you're saying, with the ICO as yet. Believe me, XRP is going to take over BTC soon. My goodness. Okay, nice. Check Sphere on coin market and they are giving 50 tokens each. Check Sphere on coin market. Yeah, I just checked that, right? So they're giving 50 tokens each. Exactly. They are not clear as to whom are they giving and why are they giving, and but what I read is this you will be able to cash out maybe in the October. 100 free tokens. Let me see what it offers you. One page of white paper. Shiv, you're superb. Uploading 4 videos in a day and taking 1 hour live session is awesome. That's true how much you love crypto. Thank you so much, Suraj. I would love to do more videos, man, even more than that. But guys, if you appreciate what I do, okay, if you like it, like what I do, if you appreciate it, you know, then please share this videos in some of the groups, some of the WhatsApp or maybe Facebook. Support the channel in any way that you can. I would really appreciate that if you like the efforts. So thank you so much. Which strategy works to trade over Binance? Not done any trade on Binance. So I don't do trading amount. So the one simple thing that I do know is that buy low and sell high. So if you have all-time high, if you have coins that you don't want to hold it for the long time, or maybe you want to hold it for the long time, but still when it goes all-time high, just take the profit out, maybe, right? And then you buy it at the all-time low. So that's the strategy that I follow. I don't do day trade. I think that makes a lot of sense, provided it's stress-free. You can see what was the all-time high, what's the all-time low, so that works. Citibank India bans crypto money transfer. These banks are gonna hate crypto, right? So that's what, for a couple of years they are not going to like crypto at all, and I think that's what they're going to do, man. I mean, what do you expect of banks, right? But eventually they would realize that these are something that they got to support. How is the mic quality? I'm not sure. Is it good? Is it okay? Or is it like, with the last live the mic quality was not good. Yeah, so I was saying that okay, I'm not sure whether it's good or not. Yeah, so I was saying the banks are going to behave this way, right? Because they have no clue what's happening. They are jealous, maybe, but I hope they realize soon. But they will play their role. They are not gonna let crypto go mainstream just like that, right? So they will try as much as they can to resist and to stop. That's what they're gonna do. That's their business, right? Technical Master says, create your own crypto, we will support you, bro. But create a new crypto for what, Technical Master, right? So this is what we need to understand, right? It has to have some utility, right? Just to raise an ICO, creating a token does not make sense, my friend. And many people do that, which is sad. Ravindra Oberoi, Shiv, how are you? Please provide info on what ICOs to buy. So I was looking at a couple of ICOs that I looked at over the last 1 month. Was, of course, the B token I liked, but which was oversubscribed and also got hacked. And then I also made a video on Referium, right? Referium was good. So I'm not very excited about ICOs these days, because there have been just too many ICOs already, and ICOs have become very scary nowadays. So I'm not sure. If you have anything on your mind, let me know. I would love to read about it, you know. Litecoin boom, Litepay and Litecoin forthcoming. Please tell me the best 10 altcoins to invest in 2018. So I can only tell you what I have done. So maybe yours I have picked up, ADA I have picked up, IOTA I have picked up, NEM coin is good, Qtum is good, Stellar you can pick up some, because I think that's gonna change. That's going to have a bull ride soon. Lisk should definitely pick up. Qtum is something that I hold. VeChain is good. ICX, don't miss out on ICX. I think it has a great potential. Omisgo definitely good. BNB token, as long as Binance continues to be number one, BNB will continue to grow. Verge is good as well. Bitcoin Cash not much booming. Recreate. Yeah, that would be great. India is coming to the market heavily, even when XRP registered pay. Market jump up a bit. Rajesh Patel, hey man, you have not mentioned about AION in your last live chat, which I have seen afterwards. Oh, okay, yeah, ION is something I was looking at. In fact, this was the name I got, Rajesh. But thank you for bringing this up once again. I am excited about ION. I didn't read the entire thing, but I think this is a good project. As much as I read, I think it has a potential. There is some real technology behind it. That's what I like it. Sci-fi TV, but I bet BTC at 19k. I'm very depressed now that what to do when the market is recover. Well, Sci-fi, the only thing that I can do is, since you have bought your Bitcoin at the all-time high, when the market was going up every day, that's the time you had bought your Bitcoin, right? And of course the market had correction after that. The market had to correct. Anything that goes up, guys, will have to come down, maybe 30% or 40% or whatever. So now is the correction phase. So if you sell right now at this price, I don't think you'll be happy about it. So again, this is not an investment or financial advice, but if I would be in your place, I wouldn't sell it at a loss. Probably I'll hold it, you know. We share and we also click on the ads to support. Thank you so much, Trijendra. Thank you so much, buddy. I think he sleeps, eats and breathes crypto. Good man. Yeah, I do that. I do that. Nitesh. Hitin, Huobi HT token. What is your opinion about that? Not heard of that. I share to 25 more people minute you upload. Keep it up. We are here to support. Thank you so much, Nilesh. Really appreciate that, man. Thank you so much. Good quality. Okay. How are you? It's good, Dinaka. Mike is good. Thank you so much, Nilesh. Good to have. Thank you so much for supporting, giving all this love, guys. I really love that. I really love your support. And this is a Valentine for me, right? This is a Valentine for me. When did you bought your first crypto? That was in 2016, Shekhar. Suraj, CoinSecure guy made the bold statement, but I don't think it required now. Modi ji is a positive on Bitcoin. Check Modi's video on Bitcoin on YouTube. There is a video of Modi ji on Bitcoin. Can you share the link here? I'm not aware of that, Suraj. Did he speak anything on Bitcoin? Suraj Thakur, in which he explains how money change its form part of crypto. Oh, that's amazing, man. If there is a video, I would love to watch it. Arpit, approximately how much BTC will go up this week? That's a very short term. Nobody can actually tell you, Arpit. What do you think? Let me ask you. I think let the coin get listed first, then see how it goes. Instead of investing on risky ICO process. ICO process are risky, yeah. Got a mail from saving bank account, discontinuation of credit card and debit card for purchase of cryptocurrency. If you use their cards, it is applicable for different bank organizations also. I don't know why the debit card, they are stopping the debit card also. They shouldn't be stopping the debit card at least. Credit card is something, okay, I got your point, what you're trying to make. That crypto is volatile, you want to safeguard the consumers, but what about debit card? Debit card is your own money. Don't want to support a debit card payment transaction on crypto? I don't know what you're feeling, banks. Hey Jungle Ape, good to have you, bro. Happy Valentine. Thank you for that little heart. Show people usdebtclock.org. Yeah, this is a very interesting something that I had come across. So every time the money gets released and printed and brought into the circulation, basically it's a debt, right? It's a debt to the Fed. So this is something that you should definitely check out, guys. This is called the usdebtclock.org. It shows the US national debt. As you can see, I can't even count. It's about 20 trillion or even more than that. Billion, billion, trillion. Maybe trillion is it, right? 20 trillion. So as you can see, this is the national debt for US. You know, and you might ask, how does it come? So just to give you an idea, so every time the money is printed and brought into the circulation, it's a debt. So it's a debt to the Fed, right? That money has to go back to the Fed. From where? From the banks, from the economy. But that never goes back, you know. So it's just the biggest Ponzi scheme that you have ever seen probably in your life. You should definitely read this book, guys. I'm reading this book, okay. This book, Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind, right? And there's a lot of information on this. You will understand what money is. Lovely book. You should get one. And also, you should also watch Mike Maloney's video. Those videos are very awesome. Pocket Bits has added 10 plus altcoin which you can buy from INR. Please guys, press the like button. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, press that like button. Hit that like button, guys. I just saw the lot of volume of Moninta being brought. So is it good to buy now as they might sell for high? No idea about that, Umang. Is it possible for Ethereum to cross Bitcoin market cap soon? The potential for a price rise in Ethereum if Bitcoin reaches 50. So all I can tell about Ethereum, Ravinder, is Ethereum does have some serious competition, right? This year especially. Some serious competition Ethereum has. Ethereum has competition from EOS, from ADA. The major competition Ethereum has is from EOS, right, which is coming in June. Now, so I honestly don't think Ethereum will reach the Bitcoin market cap, right? because Bitcoin does not have as much competition as Ethereum has. So the best strategy is to diversify. Do not keep all your funds in one. Just distribute, because you are here to grow with the ecosystem. So it's always good to have some funds in some of the nice projects or tech projects that you believe in. Innocent Vampire, what about Dash Coin? Any idea about? Not heard that, Innocent. Market capped to 1 trillion. I hope so. It's not a video of Modi speaking about, but he was speaking about Digital India, and caption was misleading, stating Modi talking about Bitcoin. There are people who do that, and which is sad. Thank you so much, everything, for sending so many hearts. Thank you so much, buddy. Yes, he's not talking about Bitcoin, just cashless. Really pathetic what they are doing. It is good to bring good technology to country and stop corruption, I guess. Not so when this country recognize it and learn this tech. Okay, in 2016, how did you bought it, man? When exchanges used to have crypto to crypto? Well, the exchanges were still open, right? Zeppay still had, Uno coin was still there. So I bought my first Bitcoin from Zeppay, right? Yeah, the derivative is up 550% to 500 trillion. Experts on CNBC are very positive on crypto bull run again soon. Oh yeah, it's CNBC, Gaurav. I was watching the other day the way CNBC was giving some advice to buy Ripple or sell Ripple. You must have seen that picture, right? When to buy Ripple, when to sell Ripple. I don't know. I mean, CNBC can, if there is an expert coming on the CNBC from somebody who understands how crypto works, then maybe it's true. But I do think the crypto will have a bull run this soon, because there have been a lot of positive news from all over the world. So I think this crypto will have a bull run. I think Jungle Ape, I think I should have this as a wallpaper, especially when you're crypto, you should always have this as a wallpaper. So if somebody asks you why do you believe in crypto so much, just open this app. I look at this clock all the time and I can see this number debt increasing, and I don't know when this bubble will pop up, and that is, I don't want to be the victim into this bubble, and so I choose crypto over US fiat dollar, right? As simple as that. Western Union money pilot to XRP. FRDL is a bill under which if a bank is in total loss, they don't have money to give back your money. Yeah, federal, exactly. Before this, it's government responsible to give back your money, but now it's not. So I'm just waiting. Cryptos should be legal tender and can be used like Paytm, then it's a real revolution. 50 flats sold for Bitcoin in Dubai and 100 more available to buy. Your views on ScoFi. Alright, Swaroop, thank you so much for the donation, Swaroop. Really appreciate that. How many BTC do you have? Great work. This is a very confidential question, my friend Swaroop, and you shouldn't. I don't know. I mean, how many BTCs you have? I don't know. This question is something usually when I get from newbies, from the newcomers, because Bitcoin is so transparent, and what is also important is that not just focus on the money aspect of it, right? think about what crypto is doing to this world. It is going to save the world from this US debt. This should be the main purpose. Of course, the money will come with it. But I think if you focus too much on money, you are actually forgetting the real purpose of crypto. Thank you so much, Swaroop. As of now, there is no guarantee that government is responsible to give back the money. Insurance is available only up to 1 lakh. Oh my goodness. What's going on, my friend? So nobody is going to take the responsibility of your money. Hopefully BTC and other cryptocurrencies are raised slowly. Now little happy. Dinesh says, what's up with Litecoin today? Some gains. Nice t-shirt and gate today for videos. Thank you so much, Andy. Bro, what's up? Good to have you. Hey Abhishek, I'm doing good, Abhishek. Do you also believe that crypto should be a legal tender and used for transaction? I think it should always remain an asset and hold value of use. Yeah, exactly, Gaurav. I don't think it should be a legal tender. No. Just like gold. You know, if you look at gold today, right? Gold is not a legal tender, but gold is so precious. Everybody wants gold. Oh, it's gold, it's silver. But it's not a legal tender, right? So I don't really, like I said, you can't really make a legal tender. First, you need to consider, when was the legal tender born? Legal tender is not even 100-year-old or maybe 200-year-old, right? So legal tender was born when people migrated from barter system to something called as paper money, right? So that paper and the coin is called legal tender. So the legal tender, see, what you actually need is a tool that facilitates a transaction. Now what you want to name it, that's a different story altogether. But if you consider something of value and if you are ready to accept that in the exchange of something valuable that you have, that's the transaction that you need. That's all. I mean, you don't have to label it, right? As long as it's valuable, I don't think the labeling is required. Yes, this is the thing, is no one responsible to give back our hard-earned money, and which is revolutionary and legit. They are scared of it. If you believe in fiat, PNB spots 11,000 at Mumbai branch. Stock strips 10%. Investors lose. Oh my God. This is something that I was not aware of, Dinakar. But thank you so much for bringing it up. Yeah, I mean, there have been such a big fraud in INR, man. Such a big frauds, right? I believe it should be as a legal tender. This happens. Bull is coming for sure. Look at market shift. Yeah, I saw the market, man. I saw the market. It looks amazing. It looks just amazing to see this. Look at this. 9,300, just $700 less to $10,000. Titanium blockchain, my views, I'm positive. I'm positive on that. Innocent Vampire, one suggestion needed, I lost in BitConnect. Now I have found BTC. Is there any way any altcoin who can recover my last loss? So I cannot advise that there is something that I can recover, right? Like I said, crypto is not all about money, right? But what I can tell you is some of the technology driven project that I am very positive on, and you can think it for yourself. So I do believe in, I'll repeat it, so I believe in ADA. I think that's a good technology driven project. YOS is a good technology driven project. Qtum, Icon, NEM, these are good crypto, right? So I'm hoping that they will grow this year big time. So from that point of view, I mean, of course, you can make a decision for yourself. Lester Louis, I did not get what went wrong. I didn't get my live. Happens sometime, Lester. So sometimes you don't get the live notification, but make sure you have pressed the bell icon. True, Gaurav. Exactly. Yeah, that's right. It doesn't have to be. Ethereum Cash Pro airdrop. Is this a scam? Not heard of it. Ethereum Cash airdrop? Looks like a scam. Why have they named it to Ethereum? Because Ethereum is not hard forking, right? And for it to rename it to Ethereum, like if you rename your own coin like Bitcoin number 2, Bitcoin number 3, then you're scamming people, right? So it might be a scam, everything. Yeah, that's also a good suggestion, Dinesh. Hi Raven, what's up? What do you think? Will crypto replace stock as it becomes a trading platform like stock market? Yes, absolutely. That's what the future is. In my opinion, it's made for transaction. Market is going down again. When we started, it was. What are you saying? What are you saying, Gaurav? That's not possible. 9,320, 452 it is. Market is going down again. When Bitcoin gainers pay for tax, then we can fight the regulators. That's what they are worried about. It's not usually a linear graph. Yeah, it does. It just comes, it goes up and down, so it's never linear. टीजे बॉय भाई, आप जॉब क्या करते हो? आप किधर रहते हो? मैं मुंबई में रहता हूँ. जॉब क्या करता हूँ? यूट्यूब पे वीडियोस बनाता हूँ क्रिप्टो करेंसी के बारे में. टीजे बॉय, what if I had hardware wallet just stop working in the way? Like issues in the apps, extensions in the PC, just asking to know how. Okay, so here is something that you want to know, and everybody has to know about how the hardware wallet works, right? Any hardware wallet, let it be a Nano Ledger or Trezor wallet, any hardware wallet, it does not store your cryptocurrencies. What it actually does, it stores your private key. That's all it does. That's all it does. So even if you lose your hardware wallet, or even if your hardware wallet gets broken, damaged, stolen, whatever, as long as you have the backup phrase of that hardware wallet, the backup phrase, it's about 32 or something like that, right? You can still restore your cryptocurrency. You know why? Because your cryptocurrency is not in that hardware wallet. The cryptocurrency is on the blockchain, right? So if you have the backup phrase with you, you will be able to access your cryptocurrencies on the blockchain. As simple as that. So one simple thing to understand is keep your backup phrase easy and safe. Do not share that. If somebody gets it, even if you're holding your hardware wallet, somebody can steal your money. So one thing to understand here is that your cryptocurrency hardware wallet is not holding any coin. It's just having a private key. I'm not sure whether I was able to give you the information. I bought 500 Bitconnect and sold it today. What? Seriously? Panakulam? Okay, that's nice. No, actually it went up from 397 to today and now coming down. Oh, okay. Yes, even I didn't get live notification. Dinaka. Just asking. Got it. Hey, tell something about credit ICOs. Not heard of this about Shashi. Credit ICO. Down, Abhishek. Where are you seeing Bitcoin at last? 2018. Well, I see Bitcoin going above 50. Above 50. Just my prediction. Just my opinion. I think it will be above 50. I may be wrong, but that's what I feel. Yeah, Goro said this is the same thing. Wow. Even as long as we have 24 words passkey safe, we can buy new hardware wallet. Exactly. Tell me your story. How did you stumble upon crypto, and for the first time, how did you look at Shaker? So Shaker is a long story. So when I stumbled upon crypto, I didn't believe it, like most people do. And I was hearing about the same thing again and again, especially Bitcoin. There was only Bitcoin then. And I heard it enough for me to actually look into it seriously, right? And then one fine day I decided that I want to learn everything about Bitcoin. What exactly it is, how is it born, how did it come, what exactly works, everything. And then I started my research, doing it on internet, like most people do on internet. Came across some wonderful resources, and then came across blockchain technology, the distributed ledger, right? The distributed public ledger, which cannot be tampered, cannot be edited, and not one point of failure. My goodness, that moment was life-changing for me, right? That moment was life-changing. And then there was no looking back. For at least 1 month or so, I was completely lost into it, doing all my research, reading books, right? So I read books. Of course, I also read The Internet for Money. I read other books, right? Went online. There were so many books written on Bitcoin, blockchain. And then I found something which was so interesting to me that I couldn't live without it. And then everything started. Thank you for asking that question, Shekhar. What if it stopped working 24 hours in workplaces? So I hold all my BTC in ZepPay. Is there a security? It's not. Partha Sau says, sir, I hold all my BTC in ZepPay. Is that secure? No, because ZepPay is an exchange. You are trusting ZepPay to secure your Bitcoin. If you are okay with that, no problem. But ideally, you should keep it in a hardware or at least in a mobile wallet. One wallet that I can advise you is just go for a btc.com wallet or go for a BitPay wallet. I had Alejandro from Bitmain, right? So btc.com is a wallet by Bitmain. I had him on the interview on my channel. So we were talking about btc.com. So btc.com supports Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. If you don't want to make it very complicated, and I think this is the best wallet, this can also be accessed on the desktop. But if you want to hold other coins also, then go for Jax. Revant, I'm 100k to 12k in waste case. You should have a backup wallet. Usually people use 2 ledgers. Do not keep your private key in Gmail or mobile picture. Exactly. No exchange is secure. Even the exchanges will agree on it. Yes. That one Japanese exchange covered its user losses when they were hacked. Yeah, they did. That coin check, Jungle. I mean, and there was a question mark on them that how did they actually cover the loss? The regulations wanted to know that how actually could you cover the loss. So in fact, they were questioned for that. If your crypto is not off the exchange, it might not even be affecting the current market price. T-Food ICO, could you please have a check? We have the right to know what we eat. T-Food is the world's largest publicly accessible farm-to-table food traceability system. It's moving to blockchain and tokenization. We are reinventing food supply on the emerging markets. Okay. Like I said, guys, sometimes it's very easy to raise an ICO. Definitely, it's your hard-earned money. I can't tell you where to put, where not to put. It's your hard-earned money. If you're putting wherever you want, please make sure that you're convinced that you're putting it at the right place. Do not listen to anyone's opinion, not even mine. I can be wrong, and it's very difficult to judge an ICO. So that's the only thing I can tell you. Should please check Nucleus Vision ICO Indian ICO. It great. Yeah, I know about Nucleus Vision. I think the ICO is already over, Vishal. I've heard about them. So, in fact, I have met the founder also of Nucleus Vision. So, yeah, to me it looks a good project, and they raised the money in the first stage itself. They raised the money in pre-sale itself. So I think they stopped the ICOs. They didn't do an ICO after that. Everything says you have been a valuable man of this community, and we have noticed all the hard work you have been put in. Keep it up. Thanks for being so hardworking. Thank you so much. Really appreciate everything, and yeah, appreciate you being here. Thank you so much. Means a lot to me. Either that or think of losing all your coins when exchanges get hacked. Your investment can become zero. Check your crypto hunt. Crypto hunt. This is what they do with your money. They are the doppelganger of Remo. You are the doppelganger of Remo? Okay. Crypto hunt. I believe Cardano will take off this year, so it would be a great idea, in my opinion, to start investing it now. Nagnath, good to have you, Nagnath. Rehypothecation is the practice by banks and brokers of using for their own purposes. Assets have been posted as collateral by their clients. Okay, yeah, like I said, Shashi, so I am looking at credit ICO and launching alpha version of credit platform. Very fast blockchain, well suited to serve a wide range of applications. What is credit? Credit is an open blockchain platform with autonomous smart contracts and the internal cryptocurrency. The platform is designed to create services for blockchain system using self-executing smart contracts and public data registry. So looks interesting so far. 12 years of experience including IT, fintech projects, bank. Okay. So it looks interesting to me. Once again, please do your own research before investing. Read the white paper. Be convinced that you're putting your money in the right time. And understand that you're taking the risk of participating in ICO, which can be risky and which can be highly rewarding as well. Shashi. How is Exodus wallet? I'm using Exodus wallet. It's good. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Charlie Lee and Charlie Hoskinsons both are talking about acquiring 5th position on coin market today, and Charlie Lee won. Did he? Wow, $207. Very close, very close. $11 billion and $10 billion. It is a competitor of Warby. Do a video on titanium blockchain. Yes, I would love to. Hello. Hello Ibrahim. The Saudi Arabian Monetary Authority, Central Bank for Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, has entered an agreement with Ripple to launch a sweeping blockchain pilot for cross-border. That's a good news for the Ripple holders. What about Singularity? Ibrahim, I am very positive on Singularity Net. So, in my opinion, it's a good project. CoinEx exchange is good. CoinEx is good so far, I think. I have done transactions on CoinEx, so it's good. Titanium is good, will go places because of CEO Slater. When will be the next time high? Hopefully soon, mana. Hopefully soon. CoinEx is good, but they have problems in deposits and withdrawal. Rishiv, your videos helped me a lot in gaining knowledge on cryptos. Thank you very much. How is Tron coin? Any prediction? Thank you so much, first of all, Nathan Ganesh, for joining the live. I really appreciate that, and I'm glad that it helped you. So how is Tron coin? So Tron coin has a great marketing strategist. The CEO and the founder is Justin Sun, who has set up a couple of companies before. So Tron is highly marketed. That's the first thing I have to say this. And I just hope that it does good in future as well, considering it has a strong community. And any prediction? I have no prediction. I can't really predict of where. So maybe if even if it goes to like $1 or so in the next couple of months, I will be happy with that. So. Yeah, it is true. I watched a video and I saw Remo there, but I had first looked seriously thinking what she was doing there. Tron could be $1 by the next year. My God, $1 by the next year? This is like too far. So please make a video about the Nucleus Vision project if you like it too. Sure, sometime in future, Vishal. One problem is most of the team is Chinese and whatever they post is translated into English by volunteers and misinterprets. How CoinCheck has refunded its user fund? That's what my question was. In fact, that is what everyone's question was, Suraj. That how could CoinCheck refund everyone's fund? And this was a question from regulator also, that they were asking the exchange, in fact, that how are you promising those refunds? But I guess they're earning so much. They have a huge volume, you know. Or maybe they blocked, they could retrieve the funds, NEM, worth 500 million or whatever. So crypto mining is profitable or not? Your suggestion? Of course, the mining is always profitable, provided what are you mining? Okay guys, thank you so much everyone for joining. Enjoy your Valentine. It's been a wonderful session to have you here. Keep learning and keep sharing, and keep sharing the videos as well. Keep sharing the channels as well. Give this video a like. Definitely hit that like button, guys. It will help the video to reach out to more people. Share it on your WhatsApp group, Facebook group, whatever group you have. Help support this channel. I would really appreciate that if you like the content, and I will see you tomorrow. What about Zilka? I'll look into that, Chantom. Okay, this is the one. Okay guys, thank you so much. Good night Suraj, good night Partha, good night Nilesh. Enjoy. Thanks a lot, Shiv. God bless. Appreciate your help and sharing time with us. Thank you so much. Bye. Really love you all. Thank you so much. See you and take care.